All right, this is problem 10.1.68, and the directions ask us to determine the number of different ways the given number can be written as the sum of two primes. And so this is an example of having to solve a problem using systematic listing, which is what we talked about in this 10.1 section, or it's one of the things that we talked about. And so in order to be able to answer this question, the first thing that we should do is probably make a list of all the prime numbers up to 50. And so prime numbers are numbers that are divisible only by 1 and themselves. So 2 is considered to be prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, and we're just going to go up the list. So we're looking for numbers that are only divisible by themselves and 1. So far 2, 3, 5, 7, 8's not, 9 is not, 10 is not, 11 is prime, 12 is not prime, 13 is prime, 14 is not prime, 15 is not, 16 is not, 17 is prime, 18 is not, 19 is though, 20 is not, 21 is not, 22 is not, 23 is prime, 24 is not, 25 is not, 26 is not, 27 is not either, 28, 29 is prime, 30 is not, 31 is, 32 no, 33 no, 34 no, 35 no, 36 no, 37 is prime, 38 no, 39 no, 40 no, 41 is prime, 42 no, but 43 is prime, 44 no, 45 no, 46 no, 47 is prime, 48 no, and 49 doesn't matter whether 49 is prime or not because there's no number to mix with it. Okay, so let's look at these numbers, and the way that I'm determining prime, like for instance 18, you know, if I looked at 18, is 18 divisible by something other than 1? Yes, it's divisible by 2, so that's why it's not on our list here. Okay, so now the directions, if we just look at this, we're just actually going to list them, literally list what this is asking and then count it. And so if I'm trying to take two of these numbers and make the sum of 50, so let's go through the list. 2 would have to combine with 48. We don't have a 48. 3 and 47, so there's one right there. Okay, so 3 and 47 gives us one sum for 50. 5 would have to combine with 45, and 45 is not prime. 7 and 43, that'll work. Okay, we would need 11 and 39, but 39 is not prime, so it looks like 13 would combine with 37 all right though, to give us a prime. 17, we would need 33, so that doesn't work. 19 and 31 gives us 50. And none of the rest of these are going to work. 23, 41, 29, we don't have numbers to add to get 50 there. So we basically have the number of different ways that this can be written with two primes. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 different ways that this could happen. And that's it in this problem.